In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Typeform link to your Linktree. Whether you're collecting feedback, taking signups, or running a quick survey, connecting your Typeform to your Linktree makes it easy for people to find and complete your form from one central place. Start by opening Typeform on your computer. Once you're in your workspace, locate the form you want to share. Click to open it, then look for the Share option. It's typically at the top of the editor and is designed for distributing your form. Click Share to open the sharing panel. In the sharing panel, you'll see a direct link to your form. Click Copy Link. That grabs the public URL and places it on your clipboard so you can paste it elsewhere. A quick tip here, make sure you're copying the respondent-facing link, not an internal editing link. The public link will usually start with HTTPS and won't include anything that looks like an edit path. Now switch over to Linktree on your computer. From your Linktree admin dashboard, click Add New Link. This is the button you use to create a new item in your list of links. You'll see two main fields. In the URL field, paste the Typeform link you just copied. Your browser's paste shortcut works perfectly here. Give the field a moment to validate. You should see it recognize the address as a proper link. Next, in the title field, type a clear description of what the link is for. Think about what will make sense at a glance to someone visiting your Linktree. For example, you might say, take the feedback survey, join the waitlist, or apply for the program. Keeping it short, action-oriented, and specific helps people tap the right link quickly. When you're happy with those details, click Save. That's all there is to it. The new entry will appear in your list of links using the title you provided and pointing directly to your Typeform. If you ever update the Typeform itself, the URL stays the same, so you don't need to change anything here unless you decide to adjust the title later. And that's the complete process. You opened your Typeform, grabbed the shareable link, added it to Linktree, gave it a clear title, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making your audience's path to your form effortless.